This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market it seems that that price has started some bounce down, but here I a bit worry about the moment that price hasn't quite reached the resistance. So the fib resistance, the monthly pivot resistance one, as well as the neckline of this potential head and shoulders pattern has been tested. Market has turned to the downside a bit early, if you could call it. So that's why in general I can't exclude that probably this is it. Maybe this is really the starting moment for appearing of the right shoulder of this pattern. That could happen, but we need some confirmation from the price action, because that is very significant for us, and in fact this pattern is our major focus right now, since on the daily time frame chart the price action around the bottom of the right shoulder will be extremely significant. If market will fail here and start move lower, then it will tell us that there will be no bounce up in the nearest future, and probably market will take out of these lows and continue move lower. But if market will form this reversal pattern, this could put the foundation for the long-term upward retracement that potentially could reach ultimately 1530 area. So that could be really significant action. That's why it's very significant. In the short-term perspective, this is significant because here, if market will start to form this reverse head and shoulders here, we will start to search for the possibility to take the long position. And the minimum target will be some sort of the A, B, C bottom, D action somewhere to the 13 even, 13.10. That's very not bad move. It's in the gold market really significant action. That's why this pattern is our major concern on the daily time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, as I said, as you can see, market has turned to the downside and start move down. But as I said, we need some confidence, we need some confirmation from the market that's really starting move of the right shoulder. And this confirmation probably will happen if market will return right back down below the neckline of this pattern and below the weekly pivot point. It will be much better if market simultaneously will take out of these lows. Until that will happen, it's very difficult to treat this action as the starting of the right shoulder, because theoretically some upward continuation is still possible when the market could reach this weekly pivot resistance area and the neckline of this reversal head and shoulders pattern. That's a couple of moments that we should keep an eye on the gold market. So currently I do not want to take the short position, and in fact I do not see any setups to take the short position, and mostly the major object to watch for is how market will create the right shoulder of this reversal pattern on the daily time frame chart. As I said, we need a couple of moments. First of all, we need to get the confidence from the market that's really starting of the right shoulder. And on the 4-hour time frame chart, the first point that we will start to watch for is moving below the neckline and taking out of these lows. If this will happen, that probably this is the right shoulder. And the second moment, on the daily time frame chart, we will have to watch for a reversal pattern at the bottom of this potential right shoulder. If we will get some, we could try to take the long position, because the potential risk reward ratio will be really significant.